Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Person. So we all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy sarees with designer blouse collections only for you. So let me display this one. The beautiful smart looks. Let me open. This one actually a premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material, ikat border with hand weaving jamdani work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, middle portion ikat pattern, and this one is fully zari weaving jamdani work, contrast border, very trendy looks. This portion is upper base part, and this one half portion split section, different pattern jamdani buta design, contrast border. This portion is split section, and this one is upper base part, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful elegant looks. This portion is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari with contrast color, threaded hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving work, and very soft comfortable silk cotton, fine silk cotton material. And I will suggest this designer blouse, sleeveless, very trendy looks, cotton fabric. And this one one is front portions cotton fabric, inside have lining, cotton lining, and this portion is back portion and sleeveless, very trendy looks, and this smart fashionable looks. And this one is full set, and this one also very trendy and traditional looks. Let me open. Soft one, soft resham dhakai jamdani all over dhakai work with beautiful highlighted golden buta, very nice trendy looks. Soft one, summer friendly, soft resham dhakai jamdani, Bengal traditional dhakai jamdani, and all over silk weaving work, all over silk weaving design with highlighted golden buta. This one is fully silk weaving dhakai work without running blouse piece, only sari length, very elegant looks. And this one contrast blouse, ready-made blouse, and cotton fabric, beautiful frill design. And this one is hand portions, inside have lining also, and this one is back portion, and this one is front portions, very elegant looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. Beautiful one, fully designer piece, very trendy looks. Pure organza base with fine embroidery work, very nice looks without running blouse piece, only sari length, pure organza silk with beautiful fine embroidery work all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, pure organza silk with fine embroidery work, and this one is all over base part is embroidery design. And this one pallu and beautiful pom-pom, designer pom-pom lace, very trendy looks, fresh one. And I will suggest this designer blouse. This one is designer blouse, very nice looks, and material is satin material, inside have cotton lining, and this portion is back portion, and this one is front portion. So very trendy and smart looks, beautiful one. And this one is full set, and this one also very beautiful bright color combinations, organic linen with beautiful heavy weaving design work, golden zari weaving design all over base, very beautiful fresh looks. Base part is organic linen with fine golden zari heavy weaving design all over work, all over base. This one is fully work, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, heavy golden zari heavy weaving design work, highlighted pallu, very bright gorgeous looks, base for your festive wear, party wear, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse. This one is bright gorgeous looks, pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, base part, inside have cotton cloths, and this one is hand portions, fully designed work, and this portion is back portion, and this one is front. A beautiful one, golden piping and fully Banarasi weaving work, silk material, and this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also organza silk, very nice looks. Digital print organza and lace border design, very bright beautiful smart looks. This one is full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length, This one is full base part, pure organza silk with digital printed one, very smart trendy looks. And this portion is pallu and designer lace border. And this one, you know, full base part, same printed one, fully digital print, very smart looks. And I will suggest this ready-made designer blouse. This one is beautiful one, chanderi silk material, white chanderi silk with weaving buta design. This portion is hand portion, this one is front portions, and this one is back portions. Very trendy and smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. Very beautiful bright looks, cotton silk material with weaving work, very nice one. And this one is premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with golden zari weaving work, very trendy and smart bright looks. This one, you know, full base part handloom cotton silk, and this portion is border portions, fully fine golden zari weaving design work, highlighted border, and all over base part is golden zari weaving buta. This one is pallu portions. Very smart look, soft one, bright looks. And this one, you know, full base part is weaving buta design, and this portion is border portions, highlighted weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this ready-made blouse, very trendy and fresh looks, bright. Obviously this one is beautiful one, designer blouse. And the material is silk material, pure silk material, fine embroidery work. Inside have cotton cloths, nice contrast piping. And this one is hand portions with frill design. And this portion, you know, beautiful wooden buttons, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one, you know, very beautiful elegant looks, resham gicha silk weaving with beautiful contrast red threaded weaving stripes pattern border and pallu, very exclusive and elegant looks. Pure handloom resham gicha silk weaving. This one is full base part, very exclusive and elegant combinations, elegant looks. And this one, you know, border portions, fully contrast red threaded weaving design stripes border. And this one, you know, pallu portions also weaving contrast stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, very trendy and elegant looks, exclusive collections. And this one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric designer blouse. This one is beautiful one. This portion is back portion, fully cotton fabric, and this portion is front portions, and this one is hand. Very nice and elegant looks, cotton fabric, pure premium quality cotton fabric. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, black base, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with golden zari weaving stripes design. This one is all over base, beautiful stripes work, zari stripes design, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. Full base part is same plain with beautiful pom-pom design pallu and very soft, comfortable base for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric, smart looks, designer blouse. Very trendy looks. This one is cotton fabric printed one, contrast color piping, and this portion is hand portions, and this one is back portions. Very smart and trendy looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. See, a very beautiful, elegant, very elegant combinations, color combinations also. Cotton ikat, very nice look, silver zari border all over base part is beautiful color combinations, premium quality cotton ikat fabric. And this one is contrast color pallu, highlighted contrast color with silver zari stripes with beautiful ikat pattern pallu. And this one, you know, all over base part, very trendy and fresh look, silver zari border, and all over base part is ikat design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric designer blouse with this saree for your elegant looks. This one, you know, pure handloom cotton fabric. This portion is front portions, contrast color piping. Inside have lining, cotton linings, and this one is hand, and this portion is back portions. Very trendy and fresh looks, and pure handloom cotton fabric. And this one, you know, full set, very trendy and elegant looks, beautiful combinations. This one also, very beautiful one, bright combinations. Let me open. This one is premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, silver zari border and all over base part is nice printed one, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is all over base, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, red shade, very trendy and elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric designer blouse with this one. This one is beautiful one. Pure handloom cotton fabric. This portion is front portions, premium quality cotton fabric, and this one back portions, very nice looks. This portion is back and this one is front portions, and this one full set, very elegant fresh looks, beautiful one. And this one also very nice and bright color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material with feather weaving stripes design, multi-color stripes. This one full base part, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk with feather weaving stripes design all over base. This portion is pallu portions, beautiful weaving stripes design, very elegant looks, bright one, cotton silk material, pure handloom, and this one is all over base, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this designer blouse, very nice looks. This one is front portion. This one is very trendy looks, pure handloom cotton fabric, and this portion is front portions, and this one is back portions, and this portion is hand and neck portions is beautiful designer lace golden, and this one is full set, very trendy and fresh looks. Beautiful one, organza silk with designer blouse, because nice looks, premium quality, pure organza silk with beautiful digital printed one without running blouse piece, only sari length, and this one full base part, very nice fresh looks, fully premium quality organza silk with digital printed one, and this one is pallu in beautiful designer lace, and this one is full base part, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length, pure organza with digital print, and I will suggest this designer blouse, very trendy and smart looks, beautiful one. This one is designer blouse, and this one is pure organza silk base, inside have cotton cloth. This portion is neck portions, fully contrast piping with beautiful lace border design, very trendy and smart looks. This one is and this one beautiful one, nice color combinations also, and this one is full set, very exclusive one. And today I have did a beautiful bright color saree, premium quality natural fabric, lian by lian with golden zari weaving Dhakai border. This portion is border portions, fully golden zari weaving Dhakai work border, and this one is full base part contrast piping, and this one pallu portions contrast color pallu with hand weaving jamdani buta, very trendy and fresh looks, beautiful saree, beautiful blouse, cotton fabric designer blouse, very beautiful one, and the jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.